Hi guys, welcome to this new fun video. I'm back today doing what I love the most, and that's making videos for you guys. I really hope my face is in focus this time, because for the last videos I posted, it was always Bulbasaur's face that was focused and not my face. What am I going to do in this video? My sister-in-law asked me to draw 2 illustrations for her 2 daughters. They are still very tiny children, and the illustrations will be hung up in their room. And in this video I want to show you the whole process of how I work on illustrations. I don't know if I will have enough time to get them printed, so let's get into the video. I'm going to tell you what she gave me of information of what she expects of the illustrations. She wanted to give me total freedom, but I asked for a little bit of input because otherwise I'm a bit too overwhelmed and I don't know what to draw. So for the oldest daughter, she wanted me to use a mushroom and the color red, and also maybe a leprechaun or a gnome. So she wants me to use the color red, and I'm not the biggest fan of the color red, I'm going to be honest. I don't really use it that often in my drawings, but I'll see if I can maybe make it blend in with other colors I usually use. And then for the youngest daughter, which is also my godchild by the way, she asked to use a deer, a baby deer, and that's all she gave me of the info. So I guess we have a lot of possibilities that we can use for the illustrations. Hi guys, just wanted to pop in to say that I'll definitely buy a new iPad, because my current iPad is only 32 gigabytes. For all this time I have been drawing in a very small format, and I want these images to be looking very nice when they are printed for my nieces, because I wanted a new iPad for a very long time now, but it's just a bit scary to spend so much money at once, if you know what I mean. But I'm very excited, let's go! So this is how Mona uses my vest. Although I don't want to wash it often, she just is using it as a nest now, which is still very cute. Hi guys, so my iPad already arrived, so let's unbox it and then we'll go to the gym. I'm very excited. I haven't unboxed like a luxury item for a long time, so let's go! Here it is. I forgot I also ordered the Apple Pencil to go with it. I also ordered a case and a cute grip for my pencil, but those will arrive in a few days. So for now I will just unbox this. Here it is. I kind of don't want to touch it. Oh my god, here it is. I bought the 11-inch one because it was just in my price range, and I'm used to drawing on 11-inch anyway, and I think it's fine. It's also very compact. There's already a Mona hair on here. And here is the charger. That's good. I was wondering if the charger would come with it. I will definitely use this a lot because I actually only use my iPad to draw. So nice. I know the reflection is kind of annoying, but we have a window on top of our kitchen. Hello! I'm now configuring everything, and I guess that will be it for today until I'll show you how I draw on this iPad. So guys, I have this new case, which is very cute, and I will definitely cover it up with stickers. But I also bought this, which is also very cute, but I didn't really think it through because it doesn't fit here anymore, which is super annoying. I guess I won't use this sleeve then. But okay, for today I have about 2.5 hours. I can draw. I already did the sketches this weekend. So this is one sketch and this is the other sketch. I don't know which one I will start. I'm thinking I will start with this one because this has a bit more detail. Not really detail, but more items on the illustration. So I'm thinking to start with this image today. I will first start with the base color and then I will start adding more and more detail to it. I also talk about this in every video, drawing video, but I use a watercolor texture. I will link it in the description where you can buy it. I will start with making the outlines a lot lighter. Yeah, let's get started. This is what I have so far and I've already been working on it for 1 hour, but I'm in my kitchen and it's super cold, so I actually just want to move to the couch and continue on the drawing. I also just did an Instagram live but almost nobody showed up, but I did kind of expose my personal files on the live stream but nobody was there, so that was kind of funny and I'm happy nobody saw that. What? Huh? And now I don't know what to do. Oh my god. Whew. It's gone. That's always the thing I'm scared of when I would live stream, that I'm kind of exposing something by accident. But luckily I don't have that big of an audience, so nobody saw it. So now I'm going to go to my couch, I think. So I finished this drawing off camera in my sofa, and here you can see the video replay of my Procreate drawing. I have to say I've sent the results to my sister-in-law and she said that the pocket on her shirt kind of looks like one weird boob or something. So later on I removed that pocket and now I cannot unsee it, that she has a weird looking boob. This is how I did it. I just did the base colors and then I started adding more and more shadows, highlights, and also some color accents like pink and green, but you don't really see it that well, but it's supposed to be subtle. At one point at the end I thought it was a bit too busy, but then Evik told me maybe I should make the grass a bit darker so that the hedgehog and the gnome girl pop out more, and I think that really helped. I was constantly like trying to make the shadows work and be balanced, because I think that was kind of hard to do, because at some places they were more harsh than at other places. Look how nice everything looks, guys, with all the stickers. I haven't even used my new sketchbook yet and I've had it for a while now, but I just feel a bit blocked. This is a new phone case because my previous phone case was completely disintegrating. And now I've put a lot of stickers on my iPad case and I love it so much. Hi guys, this is kind of an awkward filming angle, but Mona is being so cute, so I wanted her in the picture. I'm here with a little update. I kind of was in my mental breakdown era, but today I feel a little bit better and I made myself a little bit prettier, and I also did a cool makeup look, but I feel like you can't really see it that well because I used pastel green liner. The last week has been very terrible for me. I have had a really bad time regulating my emotions because last weekend our toilet got plugged, got stuck again, and now we have to get a lot of plumbing work done, and it will be very expensive, and it's just something that gives me a lot of stress, like the whole thing in general, all the problems we have with our house, it just doesn't stop. We have a very old house and you can really see it on the price we pay for it. We also haven't had warm water for about a month or something, so we only shower at the gym. And that's also why I can't color my hair purple and I hate it. So I said that I wanted to get the illustrations printed, but I think that will still take a lot of time because I don't even know which frame I want to use. But here are the final illustrations that I made. Ta-da! I really like them a lot. I hope you like them too. Please let me know what you think of them. But if it's negative, please don't let me know. So that was it for this video. I really hope you enjoy it, although I don't really know how much I filmed and I have a feeling that it was a bit chaotic, but I really hope you still enjoyed. Comment in the comments what your favorite fruit or vegetable is. My favorite fruit probably is kiwi, and my favorite vegetable is probably carrots, which is kind of basic of me, but I don't care. I'll see you in the next video. Be sure to check out my other videos as well because I put a lot of effort into them. I have a lot of really amazing videos lined up, so be sure to subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe to let me know that you enjoyed it. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye!